Divorces they can be very emotional. Some parties can be angry. And I can admit that our clients sometimes are the difficult ones. And so we have to have that conversation with them. Obviously, you do not want to be the person that the judge is mad at when you go to court. So we always try to counsel our clients and make sure that they're not that person that the judge is going to hate and the judge is going to want to rule against because they're doing certain things that are harmful to the children, harmful to the marriage, and then harmful to how the assets are going to be divided. So wasting assets, spending the money on your paramour. Courts do not like those things where your children are not being taken care of. So do not be that guy. So we're always here to help you, set you on the right track, make sure you understand what your rights are, what you should be doing, what you should not be doing. And so it's very, very important for you to have someone on your side to help guide you through the process. Also, you want to make sure that you have someone to, and even if you do decide to do the divorce on your own, always try to make sure that somebody who is on your side reviews the settlement agreements and the documents for you. Because what happens is once you sign it and the judge signs off on the order, right, you cannot go back. There's no backsies, right? You cannot go back. Now you can go back for modifications for certain things like custody and child support, but you cannot really go back on things that you agreed to, how the property is divided, stuff like that. Now, if you can show fraud, maybe that person didn't disclose it, and it specifically says that you're always supposed to disclose everything. There are ways that you can undo those things, but it's very, very difficult. So make sure before you sign documents, you have somebody review them for you. We do things. We do have a process called a strategy session where people will bring in they don't want to hire us because they can't afford it or whatever for whatever reason, or they're so close to resolving their case and they prepared all the documents. They bring it to us, or they got documents from the other side. They bring it to us. We do it. We set up 1 hour